All right, so let's start. Okay, and here we are. This is our Solong Executive Director. His name is Mr. Richard Ren, and his name in Chinese is Ren Chong. So his nationality is Australian, Singaporean, and Chinese. He is been in the industry of global finance for 15 years, as well as being a branch manager in Chengdu, China, HSBC. So he is being awarded as Asia's best banker, right? So this is the humble profile of our company executive director of our Solong. By the way, who is Solong? Solong, ladies and gentlemen, is definitely the system software provider of Realme, Vivo, and Honor. When does the company started? The company started way back December 2022. So December 2022, we are already a system software provider of Realme, Vivo, and Honor. Now, since Richard Ren has a as a banker, Mr. Richard Ren um, did something very nice on his own profession, since he has a lot of friends with decentralized finance industry or blockchain technology. What he did is way back 2024, last March, he introduces the DEPIN technology, which is the decentralized physical infrastructure network. And he started that way back March up until today. He launched his own blockchain, which is a layer one blockchain. That's why no wonder why the name of our company is Solong. It is derived from the word Solana, which is a layer one blockchain, and our own blockchain is the Solong or the L long chain. Okay, so Solana and L long chain. So later on, I will show you the proof why we are a legitimate project of Solana, okay? And the developers as well of Solana blockchain are also the Long blockchain developers. So who are our partners in this industry or company? So there's a lot of different partners with Solong, but I would like just to highlight these three company. Way back August 2024, we are being in partner with Tunburst AI Gaming. That's why by December, this coming December, we are going to launch our own Play to Earn program. And then we are also in partner with NVIDIA, the largest artificial intelligence company. Now, if you're going to ask me how the company can provide 1% daily rebates to our community, the answer is in this significant slides. So yes, you heard me correctly. The company is a product-based company. We have tangible product. We are also offering services. And with that, we are also giving or providing a rebates of 1% daily profit from your total capital. Now, how can we provide 1% daily rebates to our community? It's very simple. The company is in partner with NVIDIA. We all know that NVIDIA nowadays, they have a minimum 3.3 trillion dollars of market capitalization. And Solong did a great job of getting the exclusivity in the Asia Pacific. So in the whole Asia Pacific, there's no way that you can get a direct connection with NVIDIA. No, because NVIDIA, their number one product is the graphic cards. So if you wanted to establish your own AI company, all you have to do is to get the graphic cards. Like for example, in ChatGPT. The reason why the chat GPT can give you the logic behind your question in just few seconds is because of the graphic cards that chat GPT have. So chat GPT has um, roughly around 10,000 graphic cards. So that's how fast this chat GPT to calculate the logic behind your question. So each graphic card is amounting to $35,000 per piece of graphic cards. Now, through Asia Pacific, if you wanted to establish your own AI company, all you have to do is to go through with Solong. So Solong is the one supplying for all those companies who would like to get graphic cards. And that's what we call commodity trading. Now, I'll give you an example with Elon Musk. Elon Musk is honestly, he is our rival in terms of AI. All right. Now, what Elon Musk did is that way back before when he was just starting with his own AI company, what he did is he opened up the stocks in the stock market in public. So all the public can buy the Elon Musk stocks with his own AI. But all those people who buy the stocks with Elon Musk, they get rebates or they are being compensated very well. Now, in case of our Solong, what Richard Wren did is that he established his own blockchain. Now, we all know that the blockchain company needs community. So the beautiful part of Richard Wren Solong company is that he opened up a multi-level marketing inside his own blockchain, and he also get a manufacturer of his own gadget for Solong. So we have a tangible product, which is a phone, a device which is not an ordinary phone, but it works like an ordinary phone like Apple or iOS and any Android phone. But this one, our gadget, I'll show you here. Our gadget here, this one, it works like the usual phone, but this one is a mining machine and the super node. So what he did is that he built in his own blockchain and exchanger inside this phone. That's why this is now our super node. So regarding with that, since you are buying this phone and most of the people can do staking, so all of that money, we are also providing services, which is the computing power input. So since we are providing services, all people who put their money inside our company, Richard Rent is going to purchase wholesale of graphic cards and sell it all throughout the Asia. And that's what we call commodity trading. So that's the number one source of our income in our company. Now, second is the Google Cloud decentralized storage. So whenever you are holding a mobile phone that has a storage, even if you don't know Solong, you are already a client of Solong. How? For example, you have your own gadget right now, whether it is iOS or Android, whatever the brand, as long as you have storage, available storage, what Solong did is we borrowed that storage and we sell it to the giant companies for them to use that. So most of the people unconsciously doesn't know about it, but Solong company is gaining profit out of your available storage. Second, if you ever experience the let's say on your email, it says there full storage. So all you have to do is to subscribe for you to get an additional storage on your email. So the moment you subscribe with email, email also subscribing with Solong. So that's the beauty out of it because we are earning profits through all the people on the planet who doesn't know about Solong, but we are gaining profit. And then the beauty is that for all those members with Solong, The Solong company gives some of the profits to the community. It gives back the profit. I'll show you I'll show you the what we called it, the proof behind it, right? Here. I'm going to share my screen using my mobile phone. So you can directly go to Google Chrome. So all of these facts that I'm going to show you came from Google itself. So all you have to do is to go to deepenscan.io. All right, so deepenscan.io meaning decentralized physical infrastructure network, and then their capitalization is $13.3 billion. So most of the layer one blockchain and the legitimate or genuine projects are in deepenscan.io when specifically when it comes to decentralized physical infrastructure network. So once you go to deepenscan.io, just move down a bit and then scroll with AI, click AI, and then Solong is on at least page 5 or 6. All right. All you have to do, okay, no. Let's go to page 6. All right. Let's go to page 7. I didn't see it. Oh, we are now on page 5, ladies and gentlemen. So
Yes.
I think last day we are on page 6, but now we are on page 5. Here, you can see there, Solong, and then all you have to do is to click Solong, and then there you'll see it says here, Solong aims to redefine the new paradigm of DePIN by take advantage of on-chain and off-chain real data and efficient network management to construct a borderless Web 3.0 through API authorization. Users can sell their unused network resources to companies, laboratories, and other institutions. The buying companies of Solong seek unused network resources to access a more diverse range of IP addresses for market research, network crawling, AI training, and other tasks. The DeepN network has promoted the development of cloud computing through the incentive of the economic model and has become an indispensable. So here, as you can see, we are compatible with Solana blockchain, Ethereum, and Binance Chain. So we can definitely make a transaction directly to them. Okay? That's the beauty of this company. Second, if we are going to prove to you that we are a Solana project, all you have to do is to search Solong project. Ito, this one. All right. You just have to go to solanacompass.com and then it says here, Solana Project Solong. Okay, Solong redefined the DePIN new paradigm. So it says here, Solong is a decentralized distributed computing platform built on Solana that leverages AI for advanced capabilities. It connects hardware online and offline to achieve computational power clustering, enabling efficient AI inferencing, lightweight models, and specialized hardware integration. Solong offers an AI-powered mobile app that provides users seamless access to these capabilities through a decentralized mobile as a service or MaaS model. The native SOLG token powers staking and governance within the ecosystem. So everything is here. What is Solong? So you can see everything. The system is very transparent, and take note that this is a website of Solana. So again, the developer of Solana is exactly the developer of L-Long blockchain, which is our own blockchain. Now, if we are really a blockchain company, who is our um, auditor. So there must be an auditor of Solong. So our auditor, ladies and gentlemen, is CERTIC. So as you can see here, CERTIC Security Assessment Solong. When this happened? This happened way back July 30th, 2024. Okay, and the findings of CERTIC is this. The findings of CERTIC is, as you can see there, executive summary. All right, types, ecosystem, the decentralized finance Solana. Okay, and then the vulnerability summary, it says there, total findings 10, 9 is already resolved, and then 1 is already acknowledged. So we have 0 critical, 2 major, 1 is resolved, 1 is acknowledged, 1 medium, 2 minor, 5 informational. So everything is set. That's why it has a grade of 99%, which is a very nice. But ladies and gentlemen, for those who doesn't know who is CERTIC, CERTIC is, this is CERTIC, right? So it says here, CERTIC is the largest blockchain security auditor. So once CERTIC audited your blockchain, if there is a loophole, CERTIC will definitely guide you and walk you through on how to make your blockchain perfect. All right. Who are the clients of this CERTIC? Look, their market capitalization right now is $555 billion. All right. Who are their clients? Their clients are Binance, Samsung, Cardano, Ripple or XRP, Pepe, uh, Bitcoin.com, Ethereum. So all of these are giant company. Crypto.com, Apple is there. So, we are also client of this CERTIC. All right. So at least you know how legitimate our company. So I am very proud that I am also part of this rising leader in terms of Asia Pacific. We are the rising decentralized physical infrastructure through artificial intelligence. So I'd rather go back now to our presentation. At least I have shown you the facts and proof how genuine and legitimate our company. Now, moving forward, let's go back. All right. This is our Solong Highlight Major event. We had an event in Solong Asia Summit in Phuket, Thailand, and then the DEPIN Global Hardware Summit. We had WebEx Asia Tokyo in Seoul, Korea in September, and Singapore. But out of all these major events, the one that I like the most is the VC Horizons, which is we are co-hosted by Binance. That's why if you are going to search, I don't know if I can search here using my Binance account. If I am going to click my Binance, okay, and then I will search here Solong, Solong. So as you can see, we are also um, being advertised by Binance itself. So as you can see here, just click the Solong. All right, so you'll see there the Solong Web3 Inside News. All right. If I'm going to go back with my slides, it says here like this. Here, right? So it says here, Solong expand global footprints with Korea Summit showcasing AI smartphone mining. When does this happen? This happened way back April 21, 2025 at exactly 3 p.m. What does Solong did? Solong, look, guys, take note of this. Solong, a rising leader in decentralized AI infrastructure, will host its first official Korea meetup on April 21, 2025. Although it's already done, but I'm proud that we are the title, the Global Computing Power Resources Summit Korea. The event marks as a major step in Solong's strategy to expand its presence across Asia and engage directly with the fast-growing Korean blockchain and AI ecosystem. At the heart of the summit is Solong's flagship innovation called the Stellar Smartphone Series, designed to empower individuals to participate in decentralized AI processing. These devices are more than just mining phones. They represent a new generation of AI native tools equipped with multi-chain wallets, decentralized app access, and built-in AI acceleration. All right, so that's it. I'm just showing you some facts, brothers. Now, moving forward, yeah, so here it says here strength and growth proven by data. Actually, this is not an updated data. Right now, we are no longer 30 million plus, but we are already 45 million plus different wallet addresses all throughout the globe. And we have already sold roughly around near to 100,000 different Stellar phones. So this is a one good quality company that we can work with that can at least last up to the next generation. Why? Because we are a layer one blockchain company. Later on, we will explain what is blockchain. We already have this Solong highlight. We already have expanded with these following countries. We are we have office in Australia, Vietnam, Japan, China, ladies and gentlemen. Our largest community is in China. We have 140 different satellite offices. And Nigeria, Ghana, Spain, United Kingdom. We have there some team, but they are not yet that kind of very strong team. I think our team will become the best team in the United Kingdom. I can say, yeah, and also Canada, and we have United States. All right. And here we go. We have the Solong Stellar 1, which is $500. Solong Stellar 2, the $1,500. Solong Stellar 3, $3,000. And we have this Lux L Fold. This one is $4,500 with 1 terabyte storage. No, it's like super computer. So we also have Lux L Pad. And this is also the upcoming products we will be having soon to launch the Smart Band Watch, wherein it's not just giving you a time, but it will also give you 1% rebates from the total price that you bought the Smart Band Watch. We also have the smart glasses. We have now the prototype of these smart glasses. So whenever you are going to use these smart glasses, there is on the beside the ear, all right? Once you wear these smart glasses, it is connected to your phone device, and for example, you are talking with uh different language like Chinese or Korean. Uh, the moment they speak to you in front of you, it will immediately being translated to your native language. So that's the beauty of these smart glasses. Plus the fact that whatever amount you bought the smart glasses, you are also going to earn 1% rebates every day. That's the beauty out of these gadgets and technologies. And we have also the smart massage chair. So this smart massage chair, it is not just only doing massage on you, but it will also give you 1% rebates every day. All right. And we have the high performance miner machine. It's already rolled out, which is the Stellar phones. And we have the L long blockchain. All right. So that's our product. So you see, as we are going to analyze the company is very focused on building products which is tangible and intangible products for people to use. And these products are one of the most impactful thing on the planet. That's what I like the most in our companies. And last but not the least, one of our product is that we have this crypto Visa card. wherein we don't need any other exchanger. So once you avail this Visa card, right now we already sold out with the first batch. So we are waiting for the rollout of the second batch. And then from there, we can buy this Visa card amounting of $200. But the fee is just $5. The $195 will be automatically loaded on your account of your Visa card, so you can definitely use the $195. You can top it up on your account. Right? The good news is that once you have this crypto Visa card, you can directly exchange or put your money from your crypto Visa card going to your bank account, and then vice versa, bank account to your crypto Visa card, and then load it on your system dashboard. So that's the beauty out of it. Second is that you are also going to earn a rebates once your people down the line are using crypto debit card. You still get paid at least some cent out of their expenses. So as you can see, the expenses of your downline, you'll get paid out of it. You'll get paid. That's the beauty. And I'm done with the profiling of the company. And yeah, let's now go to the compensation plan. So the compensation plan of the company is very simple. We have two different membership. The first one is if you are going to buy a tangible product. The second one is you are going to buy the services of the company, what's we so-called computing power input or CPI, which is well known as staking. All right. So the minimum staking is $100. By the way, our compensation plan is hybrid unilevel, unlimited direct with unlimited deep. So infinity level, right? Now it says here the average daily yield is 1% daily, and then your capital will be locked with 365 days. All right. Now the good thing is that you are going to have a compounding. Minimum compounding is $50. Every 7 days you can compound your profit. Minimum withdrawal as well is $50. And then there is a charge of $2 per withdrawal. Whatever the amount, the charge of the company is $2. And then minimum withdrawal is $50. Minimum top up, also $50. Right? Now moving forward. I have good news for you guys. I computed the company compensation plan. As you can see here, this is a handwritten of my own, and it says here $100 can become your retirement pay within the next 36 months or 3 years. For how much? Your $100 can become $3.4 million in 3 years time. How? Very simple. If you put only $100, just forget your $100 for the next 3 years, because all we have to do is to click compound, compound, compound. So on your $100, the 1% of that is $1 daily. So it will take you 50 days before you can have the minimum $50 to compound. Once you have $50, the next capital or principal will be $150 times 1%. Then you are now earning $1.5 every day. And then after 34 days, you can gain $51 profit, which you can now again compound it. And guess what? I've computed this for the next 365 days. We're in first 1 year, your $100 will turn into $3,168. Now, all you have to do is to at least withdraw the $168, and then at least you already have your capital plus you already gain a profit of $68. So what about the $3,000? All you have to do is to roll it out, roll over another 365 days. So I've compute that as well. From $3,000, the 1% of that is $30 every day times 7 days. So every 7 days, you can now compound. And guess what? After 365 days, your $3,000 will turn into $100,740. So you are now on the 24th month or 2 years. So your $100 after 2 years will become $100,740. So I highly advise just get only the $740. But again, ladies and gentlemen, if you need to withdraw, for example, there are some instances that we have an emergency on our family, you need a fund, definitely you can withdraw any moment. Okay, daily you can withdraw, right? But if you can just hang on and continue to compound, just compounded it, all you have to do is to take the $740 and then the $100,000, all you have to do is to compound it for the next another 1 year. So on your third year, the $100,000, you are now earning 1%, which is $1,000. So every 7 days, just compound it. After 365 days, you are now having the $3.4 million. But you cannot withdraw this money in lump sum. For example, you cannot withdraw the entire $3.4 million in an instant. You can withdraw daily $34,000. That's the 1% of $3.4 million. So at least after 3 years, you can withdraw $34,000 doing nothing. Every day,
Wait,
withdraw
wait, say it again. Oh,
34,000.
why do you put your stuff in the dishwasher?
All right. I think somebody opened up their microphone accidentally. Yeah. All right. So there we go. Okay. So that's it for this one. This type of computation and compensation plan. These are for the people who doesn't wanna invite anyone. They wanted just to invest or to put at least minimum $100. Yeah, you can put minimum $100, and then after 3 years you can now retire. Okay. Just enjoy your life with your family, and that's it. But for those people who would like to enjoy the leadership bonus, we have leadership bonus wherein you can earn as much as $39 every month, minimum $39. How? All you have to do is to put at least minimum $300. Then your rank will become S0. And then every single profit under your organization from their daily profit, you are going to earn 2%. So how are we going to earn for the next 4 months? $39 every month, minimum $39. I'll show you the pattern. All we have to do is to duplicate by 2 every week. Okay? Every week, our goal is to duplicate by 2. How are we going to do it? For example, this is you. Okay? That's you. And you put at least minimum $300. All you have to do is to get one on the other line and one on the other line. At least encourage them to put $100 for their retirement after 3 years. It will become $3.4 million. And then these two will get an also two under them within the next 7 days. So every week, duplication of two. Guess what? How much is the profit of that? All right. For example, your two, you get your two this week, and then your two will get two on the next week. So 2 weeks. And then on the third week, another duplication of two. Fourth week, duplication of two. 5, 6, 7, 8 weeks, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 weeks from now, which is 4 months from now, you have 65,536 people under your organization unconsciously, right? Times, all of them put minimum $100. So definitely 4 months from now, you have $6.5 million total group sales volume. Out of the total group sales volume times 0.01, so you are now earning how much? You are earning from the daily profit. Your organization is earning 65,536 every day. Out of the daily group sales volume, 2% goes to you times 0.02%. So you are earning every day $1,300. Times 30 days, you can earn a minimum of $39,300 every month. Minimum. Why minimum? Because if we are going to take a look on the compensation plan of the company, the ranking will highly depend on your capital. Second is the volume sales or group sales volume. Now, if you are going to focus on or take a look on the S5 rank, the yellow one, okay, it says S5, all you have to do is to top up your account. Make it from $300 to $3,750 because every day you are earning $1,300. Why not the first 3 days? Go ahead and top up your account to become S5, $3,750. The minimum sales volume requirement is $45,000. You have 6.5 million group sales volume. So you are now more than qualified. How much will become your daily profit? That's going to be from 2%. You are now eligible to have the 17% from your daily profit group sales volume. So you are now on S5. You already upgraded your account from 300 to 3,750. Now we are going to compute $65,536. This is your daily profit from your volume sales. Times 0.17% as S5, you are now earning every day $11,141. Times 30 days, you can earn as much as $334,000 every month. You can enjoy this, right? And this is just the beginning because you still have S6 rank, and the qualification for you to become an S6 rank is that you need to top up or to have a minimum capital of $5,400 plus you should have S5 on the other line and S5 on the second line. And for you to become an S7, you need to have $7,500 worth of capital plus S6 on the other line, S6 on the second line. You can enjoy 25% out of your total group sales profit every day. My current rank right now, ladies and gentlemen, is an S8. So I'm supposed to enjoy 29% from my group sales volume daily profit. However, there is an S7 under my organization. So out of 29%, they enjoy the 25%. So the difference is only 4%. If I am going to show you my account right now live, okay, let me pull up my account. This is not to brag, but this is just to inspire every one of you guys. I am working with the company for the last 3 months or 12 weeks only. But if you are going to see my volume sales, if I'm going to click my, all right, let me show you first how much is my uh, capital right now. So my current CPI right now, I just started $2,500, but right now I have $13,191. And here on my CPI release, I can definitely withdraw at any moment $538. Now, on the total claim, I've already withdraw or claimed $9,388. All right? Now, everything is very transparent. You can see there under your record. Okay? Now, if I'm going to go with the referral, I will click the referral. Okay, and then you will see there my rank is S8 and my current volume sales is $5,172,000. Okay, so this is consisting of I have a team in Africa, Cambodia, Vietnam, Thailand, and the Philippines. All right. Now, I've been working with this company for the last 3 months or 12 weeks. So if we are going to compute how much I am earning, all right, let's compute this one, $5.1 million times 0.01. So currently, my group sales daily profit is $51,000. Out of $51,000, only 4% I get. Times 0.04, I am getting $2,040 every day. Times 30 days, so I can earn this $61,200 every month. Okay, every month, minimum. So that's the beauty of this. And then if I am going to click on this total asset, all right, so I have here $16,103. I am earning Bitcoin. That's the leadership bonus. So if your downline put Bitcoin, he will be earning Bitcoin 1% daily through Bitcoin. And then the leadership bonus will be earning as well through Bitcoin. If they put Bonk, they will be earning 1% worth of Bonk, and then the leadership bonus will comes to you through Bonk as well. So I have a lot of different assets which I never buy, but this came from my downlines down the line. So this is the beauty of our so long. So I am done with the presentation. I hope you all understand my presentations. So we can now go ahead with the question and answer portion, right? I think I can now start or stop the record.
It would be a good idea to record the questions as well, please.
Okay, all right. So let's record the question. All right, any question, my friend? Anyone who would like to ask question?
Yeah, yes, please. My question is on the phones. Do we get a rebate, as you call it, or percentage back every day? And
Yeah, I didn't able to discuss that. Thank you for asking me, Marceli Mayombo. Thank you, my friend. I'll show you again one more time. You can definitely earn out of your phone. Here we go. So this is the uh, right explanation. How are we going to earn 1% rebates daily from the gadgets? So for example, you bought the S3 amounting of $3,000, and then the hash rate of that or the hash power is 3,000. Now, all you have to do before you are going to earn the 1% rebates, which is $30 daily, you need first to burn ASOLG required for activation. How many ASOLG? That is 10,000 ASOLG. For how long? Around 3 to 6 months for you to activate this phone. Now, is there any possible way for us to lessen the 3 to 6 months waiting? Yes, all you have to do is to top up another, let's say you top up 300,000 worth of CPI or staking on your account. So instead of waiting 6 months, it will be lessened to 3 months. Okay? All you have to do is to wait 3 months because you top up the $3,000 on the staking, and then the $3,000 that you top up on CPI or staking will definitely earn $30 daily immediately. Okay, but after 3 months, once you earn the 10,000 ASOLG required for activation, your device will show there burn. So you are going to burn the 10,000 ASOLG. Once you burn it, it will immediately appear the activate now. So activate, click activate, and then boom, it will start generating $30 every day from your phone plus the $3,000 worth of CPI. So definitely you are earning $60 minimum every day. The beauty about this phone is that you are going to earn you are going to earn number one, rebates daily, plus you are going to earn mining of SOLG lifetime, and then you are also going to earn AI long coin, which is the third one, ways of earning. So there are 6 ways to earn once you have mobile phone. The first one is the 1% rebates daily. Second, SOLG. You are going to earn it or mine it. Third is the AI long coin. Okay. So you are going to have a AI long coin lifetime earning from it. And then the fourth one is that you are going to have the Visa crypto debit card, which means the moment your downline get their or activated their crypto Visa card, you are also get rebates out of it. And then the fifth one, every time there is a new project being listed on L-Long blockchain, you are also going to get airdrop out of it. So a lot of projects will be listed soon on our L-Long blockchain, and you are going to enjoy the airdrop out of it. So that's fifth. And then the sixth ones, of course, the leadership bonus, you are also going to earn from it. So that's the beauty of having a gadget. All right. And take note, ladies and gentlemen, the beautiful question is that I will answer that correctly. All right, hold on. I will show you one thing. All right, here. A long coin. This is our native coin with a long blockchain. The total supply is only 2.1 million. Remember, Bitcoin has 21 million. We only have 2.1 million. Now, the company is not going to publicly listed it so that no one or no whale can buy the AI long coin. How are you going to get the AI long coin? Only by buying the gadget or you participate in AI RAM. That's the only way. Now, if you are going to buy the gadget, there is no hassle because your gadget itself will definitely mine AI long coin. I wish for all of us to at least get 10 AI long coin, each of us, because 3 to 5 years from now, every single AI long coin will cost us $1 million. You hear me right? It will cost, the price will be $1 million minimum. How? Let's do the numbers. Let's say 3 to 5 years from now, there is 50 million members. Okay, these 50 million members, brothers and sisters, kindly take a look on this. If 3 to 5 years from now, we have 50 million members, and these 50 million members put only $100, and this $100, they never withdraw from it because they would like to compound it for the next 3 years. So after 3 years, each of us has $3.4 million. How much is the total payout of the company? That is $170 trillion. But the 50 million members cannot pay out lump sum. Their payout is just 1% daily. So times 0.01, this is just the payout of Richard Rent. $1.7 trillion. So I asked Richard Rent, boss, how are you going to pay out this so huge amount of money? It's very simple. Richard Rent answered me, very simple, Chris. $170 trillion. This $170 trillion, I will convert all of your USDT into AI long coin. Oh, okay. So divided to 2.1 million, the total supply of AI long coin. No? 2.1 million. In short, this could become the price of AI long coin. $80,952,000. Let's go to the let's say AI long coin becomes $1 million. per piece. Okay? How are you going to pay out then? I told to Richard Ren when we were in Singapore. Okay. How are you going to sustain that payout, boss? He said, right now, Chris, the price is May 20, the price is just $3. Today, the price is $60. So right now, it's already times 20. Let's say, in the future, 3 to 5 years from now, the price go up to 1 million each AI long coin. He said, Chris, I am only going to roll out on the market out of 2.1 million. Supply, only 1 million. I will roll out to our community. The remaining 1.1 million, I will still hold them. So all I have to do is to sell. Okay? But before I will sell, I will position myself here. I will buy. Okay? Every couple hours or 3 hours, I will position myself on buy. How much I am going to sell? Every 100,000 token or coin. So he will sell and it will definitely goes down. Who bought the coin? Still the company. And then the community, they will say, oh, it's a buying time. Why they are going to buy the coin? Because it has a demand. You can use the AI long coin for participating on the play to earn program. This will also become our gateway for us to sustain the leadership bonus. And this will also the gas fee, okay, of for our own blockchain. So the moment after few hours, the moment it goes back the price, and then he will again position himself on the buying position, then he will sell. He already get again the coin, and then the community will definitely buy again. So the trading volume of our AI long coin will be up to the highest level. That's why in the future, his goal is to become the #1 exchanger on the planet as well. That's the beauty on our company. So it's a pleasure to meet every single one of you. And I would like to congratulate every single one of you. Just hold at least one AI long coin, and that's it. Any more question? Hello? Are you guys hearing me?
Yes, we can hear
Yes,
you. We are
loud and
just,
clear.
All right. So I thought I lost you all. All right. So
now minds
how's
are
the sounds to
racing.
you guys?
Will it be possible to get a recording of the show tonight?
Again, I didn't understand. I'm sorry.
Sorry, would it be possible to get a recording of tonight's call?
No problem, my friend. After this presentation, I will get the link so you can review the presentation tonight.
Excellent, thank you. And do you have a like a WhatsApp group or a Telegram group that we can join?
Yeah, we have a WhatsApp group, right, Sir Bullet and Sir Masele?
Yes, it's there.
Yeah,
Bullet created it, and if you are in the UK or US, you can join our group. Just get hold of your inviter. They will add you to the group.
yeah.
Perfect, thank you very much.
Yes, thank you so much, and congratulations for taking action, Mr. Richie Lyon. Thank you so much. Anything else? Any question?
You can stop the recording.
All right. Thank you so much, my friend.
We want the money.
All right.
So,
Thank you
Chris,
for thank you for showing us where the money is, Chris. Okay. Thank
My
you very
pleasure,
much.
my friend. My
Yep.
pleasure.
Chris, thank you very much for the presentation. Have you got the phone already, or you You haven't bought one yet.
All right. Okay, my friend. I'll stop the recording and